naman baka makabala sa nakaroon ng bayo. Ako nito bayo. Kung maglitan. Biyang day ito na ito. Day 1 pala ito. Ambot asa sa ano niya ito. Day 1 na sa
Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, I wanted to say sorry about the audio because I'm using my laptop right now because yung phone ko pinaayos pa. So and the clip earlier where we go run or walking is from my mom's phone. I used her phone. The last vlog was a July reset. Right now my life has been so messy because I thought my life was really walking on its path or what I look forward to. So I've decided to do a lot of productive stuffs to add up to my July reset. So this vlog is an add up to the July reset. While fixing my bed, I have a lot of stuffs inside. I have a lot of stuffs on my bed. So I'm gonna show you what I will bring on glasses and a haul for my college stuffs that I'm gonna use. So I don't have a final bag, but for example this one, because I'm going to use a tote bag. But disclaimer, it will all based on the subjects, on the program that you're taking and the subjects that you have in your program. So this is what I'm gonna bring. For example, for my 3 unit classes, the first on Monday, like I have here yellow pad, umbrella, my pencil case, sticky notes, pen, and different colors of pens, and binder. First is this one. I already show you this on the other video. Glue stick. I don't use the Elmer's glue nowadays. Yung glue talaga. Another yellow pad and refills for A5. Binder covers. I have 3 A5 and 1 B5. 5 more refills for B5.
Kaya sa kabis na bakat kumita. sir. Sir?
Hi guys, it's July 31 already and it's 2:05 in the afternoon and it's raining. Tapos I'm sick guys. I don't know. I just woke up kaninang mga 1 a.m. like my head is like going to break. Sobrang sakit. But yun, I just finished reading Atomic Habits because that is one of my goal before July ends, that I will finish this book within the month. So